Hello from S1 Frankfurt. We found a great deal in Frankfurt and we wanted to tell you about it today. We rented a car for just €1, for €1 only for a day. And we found it via Movacar, so we are going to tell you about their system today. Movacar is a website where you can find the cars repositioning deals, we can say, right? People come here and they rent cars and then they take it from one city and they leave it somewhere else, and the cars needs to come back to their original office. So if there's a car like this, the company puts out an ad on this website called Movacar, and then you can see all these deals and the dates where you can find a car that needs to get back to their office, which is generally during the holiday times. There are many ads. So we are here in the Christmas and New Year's time, and we found an ad from Frankfurt to Karlsruhe. They gave the car for €1 only for 24 hours,
including the gas,
including one tank of gas and 300 kilometers. So it's a great deal today. We're now going to the airport to pick it up. We are on the S1 train, and when we pick it up, we'll travel around before we arrive to Karlsruhe. So now the company is the sixth company, and in the airport we are going to present our driver's license, our passport, and the reservation confirmation. Right? That's all, and we'll see how it goes. We arrived to the airport with the train now, and we found that car rental center is just a few steps away. And now we are going to the 6th office. I think all car rental companies are in the same place in the airport mall. I think the train we came from Offenbach, so it takes half an hour, but if you come from the city center, I think it's going to take around 20 minutes with the train. And then the car rental is just outside the station, inside the airport mall. Here is the car rental center, and you can see all companies here. And 6th, where is 6th? Yes, the huge 6th office is here, so we are here with our reservation.
I need to check, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
Now Tuğçe doing the paperwork, because when you hire a car online, the rest of the same procedure like renting a normal car, if it's the repositioning or not, it's not the case here when you are taking the car. So now we are waiting for 10 minutes here, because in the agreement, in the email that we received from Movacar, it seems that one tank of gas is included, but here there's a little misunderstanding between the app and the sixth company. Now they are trying to resolve that issue, so we are waiting, but I believe they are going to resolve that, and we are going to drive the car included one tank of gas, which is a good part. After almost half an hour later, we managed to take our car without any problem, and now we are going to take the car from the parking area.
And it's a good thing that they gave us an automatic car, because it could be,
Yes, our reservation was actually a stick, but they upgraded it to automatic transmission, so we can both drive.
Now we have a small business in the city center. From there we go to the Rhine River. So now we are looking for our car in the parking lot. It's in parking lot 303. So as you can see, for every parking lot there is a place to go upstairs. So we are looking for 303 here.
Yeah, here.
Yes, so now we're walking a little bit forward to find the exact place to go one floor up, because the car rental is on second floor, but the car is in third floor. We came to the third floor and looking for our car. Is it? No, not here. I think we found the car. Should be here, as I said.
Yes.
On 303, number 15. It's an Opel Astra with an automatic transmission, and it's red. It looks nice. It has a big trunk, and now we have a good day ahead. After taking the video of the car for security reasons, we always take a video of the car to show its scratches and damages before we rented it. And now we are on the main road going to the city center. We took the car, and from there we're gonna have a day full of road trip. We will go to the Rhine River Valley. It's a good car, it's automatic, it's easy to drive. So once Gökay gets acquainted with it, when he gets tired, I will drive. So Movacar turned out to be good. When we return the car, we will also shoot a video how we return the car in Karlsruhe main train station. See you!